In Houston are looking for volunteers to test a vaccine that may prevent RSV. It's a common respiratory virus that can quickly turn fatal for babies and seniors. Moms watching right now may know already, but cases of the respiratory virus are now spiking in Texas as people relax pandemic precautions.
Stephanie Whitfield has details on this new study.
RSV is extremely common. For most people, it causes cold-like symptoms, but it can be deadly for infants and seniors. That's why doctors are starting with people over 60 to test this new vaccine. 2 shots injected 1 year apart could prevent RSV. The respiratory virus is the leading cause of hospitalizations for infants, and it causes thousands of deaths in older adults every year.
Having an RSV vaccine would be groundbreaking because scientists have been searching for a vaccine for RSV for over a decade now.
Dr. Bonnie Colville says phase 1 and phase 2 clinical trials have already found the 2-dose vaccine is safe and effective. Now her team is running the phase 3 clinical trial in Houston, testing the vaccine in a bigger population.
We'll be enrolling 200 to 300 participants per site. We have a Bel Air site and a Tomball site with DM Clinical.
First, they'll test the vaccine on people over 60 to see if it really does prevent RSV. She's hopeful they'll eventually expand to young children, who are also most at risk.
The COVID pandemic has taken so much away from us, from our time with our family, our friends, our grandparents, and this is a chance to help protect the elderly to start with.
Doctors are recruiting people for this clinical trial right now. We'll have information on how you can sign up on KHOU.com. Stephanie Whitfield, KHOU 11 News.